we will learn how to make the shape files. First of all, if your catalog box is not appearing here, first of all click on this catalog box, go to your destination folder. From here you can move to your destination folder, select your destination. If you want to make a new folder, click here and press on new, create your folder, desired folder. I name it as my area of Lahore. It's my area of Lahore. Okay, after clicking this, and then select your folder and go to the new button, and then on shapefile, and name your shapefile. Kindly remember one thing: the name of your shapefile should not be spaced like this. Okay, this will not save your shapefile. If you want to give space between your two letters of your name, just press underscore. After that, select the nature of your shapefile. I want to make the shapefile of my closed figure. Select a polygon, then select your coordinate system. If you will not select your coordinate system, your shapefile will not be of your desired data, of your desired area, of your desired. It will not appear on your desired map. Okay, select your coordinate system. You can select your coordinate systems by scrolling this, by searching from this. Okay, you can select your coordinate system. I make my coordinate system and store them as a favorite, so I'll use this. This is my coordinate system. Okay, this is my coordinate system. Okay, my coordinate system WGS 1984 UTM zone 43 north. Okay, coordinate system जो है coordinate system जो WGS 1984 projected coordinate system is 43 north. Okay, then okay, my shapefile is created here. Okay, let's create the shapefile of points of a line. First of all, first we will create the shapefile of points. Give the name of your shapefile, like I want to my points. Okay, select this point, then select your coordinate system. Okay, my coordinate system is this. Okay, press OK. The shapefile of points are created. If you want to make the shapefile of line, select here the polyline button. Okay, then select polyline button. Then first you have to rename your shapefile. Give the name of your shapefile, of which line you want to make the shapefile, then edit, then click on your coordinate system, press OK. These three shapefile of different, first of points, second of line, third of a closed polygon. We can change the color of our shapefile from here. We can change the color here, the thickness of the color, the shapefile we can change here, and then we can change the properties. As I told earlier, we can change the properties of our shapefile from here. Okay, these things are basically used for the projected to select any point on the map, to mark our geology on the map, these to mark a road on the map. These shapefiles are used. These shapefiles work like as a map. This is the video about how to create the shapefiles. I hope you will understand. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, do like and share my videos. Thank you for your time.